Get ready for a tour of a memory care kit, available at all Medina County District Library locations, providing support for caregivers and those with memory loss. Here we have our resources for the caregivers. You can see a caregiver's guide to dementia on the bottom left. To the right, we have the Senior Solutions book, which will give you a guide of all of the senior living facilities in Medina County. Moving up, we have information from the Alzheimer's Association, including an around-the-clock Alzheimer's disease information and support hotline. Then we have a very popular book, The 36-Hour Day, which provides support and advice for caregivers. Here we have the memory support items. First, we have some painting with water. The individual could just wet the brush, and as they paint, the scene appears and helps them remember beautiful and important times in their lives. Right next to that, we have different CDs featuring music that may have played an important part in their early years. Notice Michael Jackson there. Then we have a whole book in this kit of animal photos. Perhaps your individual that you're caring for grew up on a farm. You flip the card over and it has questions to ask them. Did you ever visit a farm? What would it be like to have a pig as a pet? And then lastly, a simple game for them to play.